Hello everyone, welcome back. Now I will continue with the operations of vertical milling machine. Main difference in this vertical milling machine is axis of the milling machine is vertical. Milling cutter is vertical, about which that cutter is rotating. Like this. Here, like this here. Like this it is rotating. If I take this one, it is like this here. So these are the multi-point cutter are there. This will rotates like this here. So now there are some three main that operations are there here in vertical milling machine. One is a face milling. The face milling means what? The face, the vertical first one in this face milling. This is the cutter. The cutter is that is somewhat like this. The cutter has to show like this here, no? So this axis is vertical here, and it will rotates. This is the cutter here. This is a spindle here. Spindle is connected. Then the main is as it is for the face milling. So what it is a face here, no? This is the workpiece here. So this face will be milled here. This is a face milling here. So next one is the second one is end milling. End milling, variety of that ends are there. Some different types of ends are there here. In which we will study some 2-3 end millings here. One is open slot. Open slot means here if you want to remove that means of metals like this here, making that just like a slots here, open slots here. So next, then what type of the milling cutter has to use here? This is the cutter. These are the teeth on the cutter, and this is the spindle on which here it is rotating like this here. Now this is these kind of the slots we can make it. It is the open slot here. Open slots are there. The next one is a closed slot means what? Closed slot means somewhat it is inside the workpiece. Inside the workpiece, this is the closed slot here. Closed slot here. If we want to make inside that workpiece, then what has to do? This kind of milling cutters are there. These are rotating. They will be moved inside like this here. Like this only that will be moved. Then it is called as a closed slot cutting or closed end that milling operation, what we can call. And another one type of end milling also we can do here. If it is the T-shape cutters are there. If it is somewhat, it is like this here. End milling, it is T-type of slot here. So how that we have to use the cutter here in this case? Here we have to take that milling cutter like this here. This is the milling cutter. Here, milling cutter. How to take this one now? In the axis we can see here, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis here. First we have to take the cutter not by like this, because this is whole size is very small. This is a bigger one. Slot is bigger one here now. So what has to do here? We have to take horizontally here like this. We have to cut that horizontally here like this here. This is a vertical axis here in this case here. So this is called as a end milling operation. So last one is, that is the third one. Third one is the angular milling here. Angular milling means somewhat this is angular shape. If we want to cut here, angular shape if you want to cut, the angular type of that tools are there. Milling cutters has to use. This is rotating here. This is angular that milling that operation here. No? This is angular. What angle it is there? That angle that the tools has to use. So these are the milling operations for vertical milling machines. So what we have studied in this chapter here, classification based on the principle up milling, down milling, and based on the axis of rotation of the cutter, horizontal and vertical milling. And next, for vertical and horizontal milling machines, we have studied in detail with the sketches, parts and all. And we have studied some 7 operations for the horizontal milling machines and almost 3 operations for the vertical milling machines here now. So this is also one kind of that milling cutter here. So just like a plane cutter here, when it will rotates horizontally here in the horizontal milling machine, the surface of the workpiece will be touched, that the material will be removed, it will make a plane here now. So in vertical milling machine, how it will be? It is like this here, like this. This is about the vertical axis, it is rotating, then the surface will be touched like this, then here the machining operation will be takes place here. So with this I will complete this milling machines chapter. I will send the snaps of the textbook along with this video lecture. Please refer both video lecture and snaps of the books. Make a notes, that practice a very neat and meaningful sketches. Write very few lines about explanation about that machines and operations. Thank you very much.